What's up, everybody? Got this 2025 Type R in for full front PPF and full coating, along with window tint. So this is getting literally every service we offer here. We're going to be doing 20% on the front windows, 5% on the back, and then we're going to be doing the 5 strip, and then we're doing a front PPF package. Includes a front hood, fenders, bumpers, mirror caps. And then after all that is done, we're going to be applying our CQuartz Finest Reserve on all the paint, trim, wheels, calipers on this package. So we got a big job here. We're going to pull it in, get started. But look at that. That blue looks insane, and it's going to look even better when we're done with it. So I'm going to get you a little walk around on the vehicle and show you the process throughout the whole thing. Getting everything set up. I'm getting my tint set up. Everything I'm going to be using for the tint. So customer wants 5 and 20. We got our protection for the panels, and then we got our tools, peel boards cleaned up. I got my vest, and then we got some squeegees, and then these other stuff is for the PPF job. But we got some distilled water. Just getting everything organized so we have a nice clean process on when we're doing the Type R. So let's continue on, get this thing all cleaned up. What's up, everybody? So we just wrapped up the tint portion on this Honda. So we did a 5% strip with 20% on the front windows and 5% on the rest of the vehicle. So our next steps are going to be prepping these panels up front so we can apply our PPF. We're going to be applying on the mirror caps, the fenders, the hood, and the front bumper. So we're going to get this all cleaned up and start with the PPF. So I'll get your process video on that, get everything squared away.
And at the end of the process, Josh is completing the Elite Ceramic Coating Package on this vehicle. So this vehicle got all the PPF, all the paint, the wheel faces, all the exterior glass, and the trim ceramic coated. It's going to be super easy to maintain. Our PPF also was installed with an advanced installation method, which is wrapping edges where possible. We're going for a seamless look. So our goal is to make it look like the PPF isn't there. There's going to be some edges where we can't wrap, of course, but we're going for max coverage, and this is paint protection film, not paint perfection film. So as long as it can look great and keep your vehicle protected, that is our goal. If you have any questions or would like to schedule a consultation to see what options fit for your vehicle, give us a call at 570-221-4240 or visit dynastyauto-detailing.net.